Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making over our dog's bedroom. Ever since I was a little girl, I've loved Disney's 101 Dalmatians. One time I even had a 101 Dalmatians themed birthday party, so I figured what could be more fitting for our dog's room than a Dalmatians theme. First off, in this makeover, we needed to get the floors ready for new linoleum flooring. We painted the baseboards a beautiful bright red to bring in that 101 Dalmatians theme. And then this vinyl floor came from one of the hardware stores that most people have in their cities, Home Depot or Lowe's, I can't remember. But it's really durable and a good price, and it's been great for cleaning up doggy messes. That's just some adhesive that you can roll on the floor and then add the vinyl to. It is amazing what a difference it makes in the room with new flooring. We're off to a great start. Next, I used my Cricut vinyl machine to cut some black vinyl spots to resemble Dalmatian spots. It's the little touches that make a big difference. To add some Dalmatians, I found this cute birthday sign on Amazon and glued it to foam board and then cut it out and adhered it to the wall. Added some red curtains and started setting up some shelves for all of our dog's supplies to go on. We're back to the Cricut again to make some customized labels. I love this for organizing any space in my home. I made these curtains using some cute fabric I found at Hobby Lobby. These frames came from Dollar Tree along with the pictures in them, which came from a coloring book there featuring Disney's 101 Dalmatians scenes. And then I added some vinyl bones right under the picture frames using my Cricut just for a decor piece, a nice little touch. And then underneath that, we will add hooks to place their leashes on. Gardening S-hooks are great tools to hang brooms, vacuums, and trash bag holders from, all necessary to have close at hand when cleaning up doggy messes. I think it's safe to say that our dogs are loving their new room now. I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you have a great day or evening.